Hello and welcome everyone. Today we will learn a small trick in MS Excel. So today our main agenda is, can we separate the name and code from a database? Here we can see a small database given here, and in this data we can see some names as well as IDs are there. We need to separate the names and the IDs in the different cells. So let's see what we have to do. First of all, we need to select the small cell range by Ctrl+Shift down arrow, or we can select by cursor. Then we need to press Ctrl+G. Ctrl+G used for go to, and here we need to click on special. Under this special, we need to select constants. Constants means the cells which not contain any formulas. So here we need to select constants, and after that we need to check in the box text first. Then click on OK. After that we can see the cells are selected which contains text. Now we need to press Ctrl+C, that is copy, and paste where you want, that is Ctrl+V. And we can see we easily separate the names. Now again we need to select the cell range, press Ctrl+G, go to special, and after that select constant and check in the box numbers. Now we need to copy the numbers. Now click on OK, and we can see only cells are selected which contain number. Now press Ctrl+C, that is copy, and paste Ctrl+V. Now we can see easily we can separate by copy paste from the database. So by Ctrl+G, we learn that we can select different text and different numbers in a single click. That's it. Hope you all like this. Thank you.